Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, 1 second here. Let's tell the team members that we're on live now. 1 second. And yeah, let's go over today. Honestly, you guys and gals know what I'm looking for. 1 second here. So. Alright, so as of right now, what I'm looking at... Yo, good morning. Yo, Tropical, what's up? Good to see you, man. Alright, so we'll keep on... Well, we'll go over SPY, the keys, pretty much, the same routine as we always do. So yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything. I do want to start fresh and, work our way down. See what we got here. So this is actually options. So I do trade futures, but yeah, we mainly trade options inside of our Discord. And I do want to go over a couple setups, what I'm looking at, what I'm looking forward to. And of course, we're going to start on the Qs. Let's go ahead and turn this brightness down just a bit. That should be good. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead. I want to get rid of this too. I want to start fresh here. And as of right now, what I'm seeing here, for the Qs at least, and yeah, each trade is going to be exactly the same. We have the same setups pretty much every day. We don't change anything at all. And personally, what looks good to me, this doesn't look terrible. This doesn't look bad. I do want to see, hold on, give me a second here. That 30 minute also looks really good. Okay, actually, okay. This is what I have here. And there's also two possible outcomes here that I can clearly see. But yeah, what I like here, this looks good. Yo, Red Eagle, thanks for the gifts, thanks for the roses, really appreciate it. Good to see you. And Tesla, yeah, we'll definitely go over that too as well. Alright, so yeah, we do have this clear move down, no consolidation, or this big gap. This is exactly what I would love to take to the upside. Obviously, in order for us to do this one, we would need a nice, beautiful top wall, nice bottom wall as well. At least on the 30-minute chart, this is what I'm seeing. And it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look terrible here. We do have a nice top wall that needs to be broken. We can end up breaking above here. For me, at least, I don't see any resistance until that, green candle there. So that looks decent, looks pretty good. Do want to see how everything's going to play out. As of right now, of course, there is no entry. It's pre-market, so yeah, I do want to see how everything's going to play out here. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Also, let's see here. There's also this, and let's see, where do I place this one? So yeah, I wish this was a better top wall, but I can't say that's a bad bottom wall there though. So that looks really good. We do have this, and obviously I am favoring that upside a little bit more since it's a little bit more cleaner for me. But yeah, under us, still exact same thing here, guys and gals. You can clearly see that we have empty space. Personally, I would definitely have a trim here. We'll love to see if they try to take it all the way down here. So this one's going to be more of a lighter play if we get this one. I do like that upside a little bit more though. So yeah, as of right now, we have the empty space. We have exactly what we like, and we don't change anything at all. So that looks really good. Obviously, we would need a break under that wall there. But for me, I do like that upside a little bit better. That upside looks really good. Alright, so that is on the keys. So the keys look really good. Either way, we're still in consolidation. Nothing for us to do. I do want to go over Tesla too. So yeah, Tesla, we'll go over SPY too as well. SPY, also SOFI did end up gapping up. So that's a good sign. So yeah, right now, and same exact thing. We have the same exact play each and every day. What I'm seeing here, and you guys and gals can see this already. Let's go to a lower time frame, and let's actually break this down. I do want to break it down on a lower time frame, possibly on a 2 hour, 1 hour. So, as of right now, there was a 4 hour that looked good to the downside. What I see for this upside here, and oh wait, hold on, I didn't even tell the team members we're on live yet. All right, hold on, give me a second here. It didn't actually send. Okay, it sent. So yeah, now the team members know we're on live now. So yeah, give me a second here. All right, so as of right now, let's go to a possible 1 hour. Let's break this down. Let's see what the damage is here. 1 second, I did not mean to do that. There we go. Obviously, you know what I personally see, there is 2 possible top walls here. So there was an original wall that we ended up having here. Obviously, yes. Quick move down, no consolidation. This is the easiest part. This is exactly what we look forward to. There was a nice, beautiful top wall here. Bottom wall there. And yes, I would love to see if we can end up rejecting above our top wall so we can go into our empty space. It looks really good. It doesn't look too bad here. So yeah, not bad at all. Do want to see if we can end up getting that. Obviously, yes, pre-market, there's nothing for me to do. Just going to wait. Also, there's a little box there. So yeah, I also would love to see. So yeah, this is also another little wall here that I would love to break so we can go to the upside. So yeah, as of right now, I'm not going to do anything. I do want to see how this ends up reacting. And yeah, all of our trades literally look exactly alike. We don't change anything at all. We have exactly what we want. So either what I am going to do here is either if we hold above nicely and get a nice push, then I'll try it lightly, or if we can end up breaking above that 298 area, it looks really good. So yeah, right now, just going to wait, see how everything's going to play out. We have exactly what we want. So it looks like just like all of our other plays that we ended up having. You can see Tesla before, the after. You can see pretty much how we call out our positions, our plays. Like these little plays here, like, let's see, arm before, you can see the aftermath. But we're inside the box, no trade. We break outside the wall, we take the trade. Nike before, also the aftermath here too as well. You can see how we pretty much call up our setups. And yeah, either they work or they don't. If we have to get stopped out, that's perfectly fine. You can see how pretty much what we do here. And yeah, you can see my gains page, see what we do here inside the Discord. But yeah, Tesla does look really good. I would love that 298 break them. Let's see if we can end up holding above. But yeah, if we end up going back into the box here, yeah, we're just gonna continue to drop. So and yes, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to get into anything, so please do your own research, of course, before doing anything. Alright, so that was on Tesla. So Tesla looks really good. Yo, thanks for all the follows. I appreciate it. ORLY. Let's take a look here. So let's start a new fresh page. ORLY. So what contracts are you holding? So for Tesla, I'm not into this play quite yet. Obviously, yeah, right now I'm definitely won't be entering into anything unless it could show me something. So yeah, right now if we're still in consolidation, I'm not taking anything. So yeah, we'll just have to see. SOFI and also, yeah, so we'll go over so yeah, we do have SOFI pulled up. Also, you want to go over, looks like the Q's trying to break out that level there. ORLY. ORLY, perfect. Yeah, we'll go over that. Alright, so ORLY and also SOFI. And yeah, I do want to go over SOFI too as well. So actually, this doesn't look too bad. This doesn't look, terrible. What I see here, and yeah, we look for the same play each and every day inside the Discord. We don't change literally anything at all. So nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. We can end up breaking above this wall. we'll have the empty space up to this upside. Looks good. Not bad at all. So it looks really, really decent. Alright, so now that looks really good. We'll keep on going here. SOFI. If it hits your entry price, how long do you wait before entering? Yo, MJ, what's up? Good to see you, man. So, at least for me, so let's just go over a good example. Let's just go over the queues. So, right here, obviously, you know, I can't enter in right now since it's pre-market. But yeah, what I see here, obviously, yes. You know, if this ends up happening, I'm definitely just going to leave this alone. I am favoring this upside. But as of right now, let's just say if I was trying to enter into this trade here, we have empty space to the downside. It looks good. And personally, for a full entry for me, I would love that body candle closure, so a 30-minute candle closure underneath. But I will have a lighter position or a light position if we end up holding under. So I do also like to go down to a lower time frame, see if everything holds, and if we end up, so let's say we charted on a 30-minute chart, but we're on a 10-minute now. So I could use a 10-minute time frame to try to find my entry. Boom. We break and close under this 10-minute here. We have an empty space there. Obviously, I can go down to a lower time frame, try to break it down as well. But yeah, I do like that 10-minute. But yeah, at least for me, how I personally do it. So if we completely like break and close under on the 30-minute, that's going to be a full valid entry for me. Obviously, let's just say if we end up breaking and holding under, for me at least, I would just have a starter position, a light position, and yeah, if it ends up reversing, I can cut quickly. But yeah, if it goes, that's cool. And that's pretty much how I do it. So like, for example here, let's see here, one second. I want to show you some like cues plays. And yes, I'm only showing you the charts, can't show you anything else. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. Hold on. Where are the cues at? Just trying to show some like Q examples. So like for this example here, we had this Q play that we ended up calling out. Clear move down, no consolidation. We had a top wall that needed to be broken above. You can see, yeah, I did enter in. I did end up, I think I had like a small position as soon as we were holding above. And yeah, we closed above perfectly. So yeah, once we closed above on that 1 hour, since we charted it on a 1 hour, it was valid. And yeah, you have your stop loss set. And yeah, either that play works or you'll get, stopped out. Yeah, that's perfectly fine with me. But yeah, if it's a swing trade or something like that, so if I'm looking to swing a play end of day, then if I'm planning to take that trade, let's just say if I want to take that trade during the day, it'll be a light position for sure. It'll be a very lighter position, and see how the end of the day brings. Ooh, QQ looking pretty decent. So yeah, right now there's just no entry right now. Obviously, no, not telling you guys to enter into anything, so please do your own research. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. Yo, Roy, what's up? Good morning. Can you go over PLNT? Hold on one second here. And also AMZN. Yeah, no worries. We'll definitely go over that too as well. So yeah, I do want to see how that plays out. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going though. I do want to look at these other stocks. Okay, so SOFI, honestly, SOFI is looking pretty decent. As of right now, yeah, we did end up. So yeah, I had this on my eyes pretty much all day yesterday. Had a pretty decent entry for sure. Obviously, yes. Can we still reverse and go to the stop loss? Absolutely. But yes, we had the empty space here. We broke above my top wall. We ended up gapping up above us. So one second here. So yeah, we ended up gapping up above. Would love to see those final TPs getting hit. So it doesn't look too bad. So right now it looks really good. So yeah, right now, obviously, we ended up gapping above. It looks good, looks decent. you know, hopefully it can keep pushing. But yeah, if it reverses, you know, I'll be prepared for sure. Yo, Potter, good to see you, man. Gonna pin your comment. Good to see you, my guy. Hold on, let's see. Sound. Yo, Shining, what's up? What's up? Good to see you guys and gals. Good morning. DAL. Hold on one second here. So sound. DAL and then RIOT. So riots. Cool. So you know, SO5 looks good, looks decent. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to get into anything. So please do your own research. But yeah, hopefully we can continue to the upside. That looks really good. So yeah, nice little gap up. Can't complain there. It doesn't look too bad. All right, so we'll take a look here. Yeah, Tesla looks really good. I do like this a lot. Do want to see if we can end up getting that as well. All right, so now let's keep going here. One second. So PLNT. We'll go over. So 1 second here. We'll go over. Sound DAL. So sound DAL. Okay, I will keep an eye out on those. So target did end up gapping up a bit. Riots. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna pull all these up. We'll pretty much go over everything. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes and follows. All right, so as of right now, let's go over PLNT first. Hopefully this is the right one. Planet Fitness. All right, so this may be like on a lower time frame trade of what I can see. I'll be honest, I've never taken a trade on Planet Fitness before, so yeah, we'll have to see how this plays out. But you know, we're still looking for the same thing. Clearly, it's going to be exactly the same. So as of right now, what I'm seeing here. Okay, yeah, this doesn't look terrible. Yo, Stephanie, what's up? Good morning. NVDA. Yep, no worries. We'll write that down. We'll go over that too. NVDA. Perfect. All right, so yeah, right now, it looks like, all right, that is a decent top wall. Decent bottom wall there. Personally, under this, 106 area, we have empty space down to that 105. Not the biggest move, but yeah, still doesn't look too bad there. Sorry, it should be Okay, cool. No worries, I got you. Yeah, we'll go over PLTR. I was like, yeah, I've never traded Planet Fitness before, but there's still a little setup there. But yeah, I'll be honest, I definitely won't take this trade here. But yeah, we'll go over that too. So PLTR. So yeah, that's that. Also, sound. Okay, wow, sound's looking pretty good. Looks like SO5 is getting close to that first TP. Alright, so yeah, that's obviously, yeah, we may end up, going back some, but yeah, it's cool. Yeah, that looks really good. Alright, so PLTR, we did this on a 4-hour. What I see here, and yes, each trade is going to be exactly the same. Obviously, yeah, we ended up breaking above our top wall here. So yeah, we had the clear move down, no consolidation. Right now, we're floating right above this top wall. So yeah, we're pretty much in the same exact area where we were. But yeah, I would love this upside being hit. Obviously, yes, if we go back into the box here, oh yeah, we're definitely going to go down, so no doubt about it. So if we go back into the box, that empty space not valid. But yeah, if we end up rejecting this top wall here, we have the empty space, looks good. But yeah, other than that, if we go back into this box here, yeah, definitely, I can see us flushing down. Obviously, yes, you all have to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research, of course. Not telling you guys to get into anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, this is a very important level. Either we go down into empty space, or we go down into consolidation, sellers gain control, or buyers gain control, and that we finish that move there. So right now, we're just going to see how that plays out. And yeah, either it works or it doesn't. Alright, so NVIDIA also, we'll go over a couple other ones. DAL too. So Riot, SO5 doing pretty decent. I want to see if we can get that there too. So hold on. Yeah, thanks for all the follows. Really appreciate it. Wolf. Okay, 1 second here. Wolf. Also WMT. Yeah, no one's told me to look at Walmart yet. So yeah, we'll go over that too. Coinbase. So Coin. And yes, guys, if you want to join the Discord, be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join up. You can join the free chat, also the VIP chat as well. All right, so right now for sound, hold on, give me a second here. You know, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, give me a second. You know, I just wish this was a better top wall. I really do. What I'm seeing here, and yes, this still looks good. This looks great, actually. This is something that may do pretty well on. Give me a second here. Let's take a look. All right, yeah, I got this on the 4 hour. This looks really good. Yeah, this looks really, really decent. So yeah, right now, what I see here that isn't bad at all. We do have a nice, beautiful top wall there. Beautiful bottom wall here. And right above us. Oh yeah, we have. Personally, I would love to see if we can hit that empty space up to here. We'd have, you know, from the edge to the X to the middle of the move, exactly what we need. Right now, am I going to take anything? Absolutely not. Just going to wait, see how everything plays out. But yeah, we just came across, or I just came across this. Forgot who ended up calling this one out, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Actually, let's make that perfect. There we go. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, if we end up missing that one, you know, it's fine, it's cool, but yeah, it still doesn't look terrible. All right, so now let's keep going here. NVIDIA. Yeah, that looks really decent. So DAL, I think what we have earnings. We have earnings what, Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check. We shall check. So this is definitely not the right dates. Load. All right, wait, hold on. Thursday. Okay, DAL. Yeah. So we have before open. So, yeah, what I see here, and you know, same exact thing here. Let's go to a weekly chart. Let's break this down. So I'm just gonna be completely honest. Obviously, I'm not into this play. Not telling you guys to get into anything either. But I mean, yeah, I will be honest. Yeah, there is empty space below us. So if we do end up dropping, we could potentially go down to this 41 area. Obviously, what I see here, what I like the best is this empty space above us. Quick move down to consolidation. I'm liking how we're, you know, floating right above this cost basis area. We'll love to see if we can end up breaking above into that empty space. Looks good, looks great. Do want to see how everything plays out. Obviously, no, I'm not into this play. I'm not telling you guys to enter into anything, so please do your own research, of course. So if there's a breakout, do you buy calls at the breakout price or your target price? So if I'm in any position, so let's just say if I want to go over, let's just say if I want to do a simple day trade, like for example, for this, for, you know, actually we'll go to a live example. Obviously you can see before the aftermath, you can see pretty much how we call out of plays, but yeah, we give simple setups. But yeah, let's just say for SO5 looking really, really good. But, and yeah, we got to do, hold on, give me a second here. We have to do a couple other ones as well. So, let's take a look here. So, let's just say for Tesla, we'll just go to Tesla really quickly. And let's just say, 1 second here. for this example here, I'm looking for a break outside of my wall. So yes, what am I targeting? We're targeting this empty space. Clear we've down, no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. Obviously, let's just say if I do want to enter in above this 298 area. Not telling you guys to do it, just more an example as of right now. So, my first take profit is this 305 area. My final take profit is this 315. So for me at least, if I'm breaking outside this 298 area, if I'm looking to get in a position, I'm going to look, for a price near my first TP. So yes, this is target-based contract. So my first one was this 305. Personally, I'm looking for contracts at near that, so maybe 304s. Maybe I grab some 308s, somewhere close to that first TP, where it's very realistic. It's not like I'm grabbing some, 400 calls for Tesla expiring today. No. I'm grabbing something realistic, and yeah. That's pretty much it. Obviously, TSLL is a little bit better alternative as well. So, but yeah, do your own research. Not telling you guys to do anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research as well. But yeah, as of right now, definitely there's no entry. Not telling you guys to do anything. So yeah, like for our, this is another live example here. So let's just see. We had to break outside of this 527 area, and we ended up. You can clearly see we ended up going up until this 530 area-ish. You can clearly see that. So if we're breaking outside of our 527 area, this is the price where I want to enter. Personally, I'm not grabbing 527, so I'm grabbing something close to that first TP. So that would have been like the 530, somewhere, very close. Obviously, other people do it differently, which is perfectly fine. But, that's pretty much it. Oh, wow. SOFI is really moving right now. Obviously, I can't get too excited, but we'll love to see if that can be filled today. Yeah, that looks really, really good. Yeah. Not bad. Obviously, yeah, I would love to see if it can stay up. 304 where? What do you mean? All right, so for Riot, let's go over this. I know you guys and gals want me to look at this too. And obviously, not saying you guys to enter into anything, only going over examples in the charts. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. All right, so as of right now, what I'm seeing here, and looks like this move already kind of missed. So let's take a look here. And yeah, for that Tesla play, obviously, we're at that 297 area. There was absolutely no entry on there. So yeah, not telling you guys to enter. That's just how I personally pick my contracts. And yeah, as you can see here, what we have here. And, for a play like this, I just don't want to chase into it. So yes, we have the empty space. We have exactly what we want. Looks like, we're very, very close to that first TP. Would love to see if we can end up going to there. So it looks really good. Not bad at all. Do you think SOFI is a good call for when the market opens? Honestly, I've already been in SOFI. So yeah, we've been in SOFI. I've been in since yesterday. So personally, I would not chase into anything. You can see pretty much where we called this out. So yeah, I called this out just yesterday. This was right where market ended up closing. So yeah, we were at this 1920 area. We're at this almost my first TP there. For me at least, I would not chase into anything. We did end up gapping above. Yeah, we could end up falling below. So yeah, I do want to see how price reacts. So yeah, I can't get too excited for that too. But yeah, either the plays work or they don't. Obviously, if it works, great. If it doesn't, it can always stop out and get that re-entry. All right, so NVIDIA, Kava, okay, 1 second here. Kava, NVIDIA, all right, so So I think we went over this one too as well. Hold on, give me a second here. Kava. Yo, cool dude, what's up? Good to see you, man. 1 second here. So, good morning, my guy. KSS, yeah, no worries. KSS, also Apple. Yo, Samir, what's up, my guy? Good to see you. Hold on 1 second. NDRA. NDRA. Oh yeah, we gotta do Walmart too. Oh yeah, we gotta do Walmart. We gotta do McDonald's. S-bet, fake internet hype or real short-term potential. Yeah, we'll take a look there. Honestly, I think Glock actually called out a good trade on Sharplink, and I think a couple of members did pretty well on that. All right, so for Kava, this is what I have here, and yes, I do see the empty space above us. Easy, but wait, hold on, give me a second here. Oh my gosh, SoFi just hit my first TP. Hold on, give me a second here. Oh yeah, we have what, 30 minutes for this to stay up. I gotta tell the team members this. Like, hold on, give me a second here. We just hit that first TP there. We just crossed right now. Give me a second. Yeah. So yeah, I would not chase into this play. Obviously, hold on, give me a second here. Yeah, you guys seen it live here. Give me a second, guys. SOFI. 1 second here. Obviously, there's nothing I can do right now since it's not, market open, but yeah, this was a trade we ended up getting into. First TP just literally hit right now, so you can see we hit it like perfectly to a T. I can't make this up. You can see either my plays work or they don't. Obviously, I can't get too excited, but yeah, that first TP did end up hitting, so that play worked out. We'd love to see us, staying up. You can see we pretty much called this out yesterday. Swing, and yeah, either the swings work or they don't. So yeah, looking to see if we can end up staying above. So yeah, we tapped perfectly. You can see my first TP was what, that 2015 area. We hit that 2015 just perfectly. So no, I'm already, I'm not telling you guys to enter into anything. I would never chase into a play, especially after it hit my first TP. Yeah, I would never chase into a play. This is where price can end up reversing. So yeah. So yeah, price ended up touching that first TP already. We could end up seeing a reversal here. I got a pretty good feel on this, so not really too worried about it. So yeah, this is where price ends up reversing, and you know how market opens, it does like to sell off. So yeah, we'll just have to see how that plays out. All right, so yeah, NVIDIA, let's go over this now. Oh no, let's take a look here. NVIDIA. Let's get rid of all this. Let's go down to a possible lower time frame. I did like that 4 hour. That 4 hour looked really decent. Obviously, hold on, give me a second here. Why is SOFI pumping high? Honestly, I will be completely honest. Personally, I just use the Potter box for the empty space, and I just listen to what the strategy tells me. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. Obviously, yes, it does have to stay up, of course, but the target did end up hitting. So the first TP did end up hitting though. So yeah, as of right now, it looks like. Let's see. So, I will be honest. It doesn't look like there's anything to stop us. We could end up, honestly, we could end up squeezing. Obviously, not saying guys to enter into anything, but this is what I'm saying. This is what I like. There's this. Beautiful top wall, decent bottom wall here, and let's keep looking. So yeah, we're pretty much at that first TP as well. So yeah, under us, you can see. He said I'm Yeah, Liz, thanks for all the follows. Really appreciate all the follows. And yes, if you want to join the team, if you want to be a part of the Discord, links in the bio. Just make sure, and yes, if you want to see the work that we do, look at the games page, look at my testimonials, even ask the members in the free chat what we do. But yeah, if you don't want to join, no worries. You don't have to. Alright, so yeah, what I see here, it looks good. Honestly, we could use this top wall. And because I seen this on the queues, I think it was last week. We had AP space below us, but there was nothing to stop us to the upside. And we had like a top box. We ended up breaking above it. We used that top box, and there was literally like nothing to stop us. But for me, what I see here that looks good is this. So yeah, we do have, and you know, can we end up continuing if we break above this box? Absolutely we can. But I'm just not going to chase into anything. Obviously, it doesn't look bad, but not saying you guys to enter into anything, so please do your own research, of course. We do have this. So if we do end up somehow, some way dropping down below, so we have at least for me, what I see, there's a clear move for me. I have the AP space under us. We have a bottom wall that needs to be broken. Oh yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, right now, definitely would just see how everything's gonna play out here. Doesn't look too bad though. All right, so yeah, so if I hit that first TP, that's beautiful. Really nice. We'd love to see us staying up though. So yeah, that'll be great. All right, so let's take a look. So yeah, keys pretty much. Oh wait, that box messed up. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. Yo, Marvin, what's up? Good to see you, man. So, yeah, we'll go over that too as well. I'm actually gonna keep this up. So, yeah, first CP hit. So yeah, this is imbalance. I will be honest, I do expect a little reversal at open, which is perfectly fine. SoFi up on cryptocurrency trading news. Why is SoFi pumping up so high? Honestly, for me at least, what I would say, I just look at the same method each and every day. And yeah, some of my plays work, some of them don't. You can see when they work, they'll do pretty good. And I'm just looking for the empty space. So obviously, yes, I'm not going to get too excited. I am pretty excited since my TP was hit, so that trade did end up working out. So do want to see if we can end up staying above though. That would be great. All right, so, and you know, there is a lot of empty space above us too. So, and no, I'm not saying you guys to enter into anything. I would never, and I mean ever, chase into a play. Especially after it hit my first TP. So yeah, just gonna see how this plays out. Definitely will be claiming if possible. All right, so now let's keep going here. So Apple, we do want to take a look here. So yeah, Apple, still same thing here. This is only 4 hour. So this is a trade that still is valid. Obviously, didn't really want to chase into this play. But yeah, we still have empty space below us. We'd love to see if we can end up somehow, some way, making our way back. Or if we retest this top wall, oh yeah, we could end up flushing. So it looks really good. Oh, did not mean to move that. So yeah, it looks really decent. Do want to see how that's going to play out. Yo, Jeff, good to see you, man. Yo, Mike, good to see you, my guy. So shop, yeah, we'll go over that too. What program are you using? So yeah, this is TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis before getting into any trade. So yeah, this is pretty much all that I do, TradingView. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yes, guys, give me a second here. We got to go over Kava. We went over NVIDIA, BABA, or not BABA, but cool. 1 second here. All right, so give me a second here, guys. I'm going to give me some water. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join up. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. But yeah, if you don't want to, no worries at all. But yeah, just give me a second here. Just please do your own research before doing anything. 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. Let's take a look here. What's... Yes, I'm using TradingView. Did I miss Wolf? So yeah, we gotta go over Wolf as well. I just read the handle. This is a bear stream. So yeah, I know I'm called the Put Brothers, but you know I do love my calls too. It really just depends on the play. So yeah, obviously SOFI was a call play. We ended up gapping above. Obviously, yes, we would have to stay above for us. But yeah, that play did end up hitting. So we'll keep on going. I cashed out on Tesla puts 2 weeks ago when it pumped. Dude, fire, man. Keep up the great work. I think we caught the same move too, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going here. So we got to look at BA. Hold on 1 second here. And yeah, I pretty much had something here already. And yeah, each trade is going to be exactly the same. Personally, let's take a look. Honestly, okay, hold on. Give me a second here. Give me a second here. We'll file for bankruptcy. Okay, yeah, let me pull that up too. 1 second here. Oh, okay. It filed for bankruptcy, but it hit my target. So hold on. Yeah, we'll go over everything. I promise. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Yeah, that hit my target for sure. All right, so yeah, let's go over some more trades here, and yeah, you can see pretty much see everything here. Have I seen Marvel? I have not. Yeah, we can go over that too. No worries. All right, so yeah, we have this clear move down, no consolidation. What I'm seeing here, yeah, what looks good to me. We did have a nice top wall, bottom wall here. I will be honest, it looks like we ended up breaking above our top wall. What's left is this empty space here. I get it, this is a bigger move. You know, this move may take a very long time, but yeah, we still have empty space above us. That doesn't look bad. Is day trading? So, for me, definitely not. Obviously, you know, if you don't have a strategy, if you don't have, you know, a plan, an entry and exit plan, then of course it is. But yeah, for me, I literally have the same. You can ask my members. You can look at my chart. You can literally look at the free chat. All my setup are the same. My stop loss is the same. My entry is the same. If I have to get stopped out, cool. If I have to take my profits, that's cool as well. You can pretty much see what we do in all these trades. Like even just, I can just scroll through and you can just see. Like Tesla, obviously this was another trade. Clear move up, no consolidation. We end up breaking below a wall. We go down and tap. My stop loss is very small, so my stop loss is going to be somewhere around this box. Obviously, if I get stopped out, that's a little small move, but if I end up gaining, I have pretty much everything else to gain. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so yeah, that's that. Yeah, BA looks really good. Obviously, don't really want to chase into it, but looks decent. Not bad at all. Alright, so Marvel, MRVL, Tesla recovery. Hold on, Tesla, Wolf. Alright, so for Wolf and about Wolf. But yes, guys, just remember, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. And yes, if you do you want to join the free chat, you can join the free chat too as well. You can ask all questions. So now let's keep on going here. He said, chat, we ready to... Yeah, that's crazy. I would hope not. But anyways, yeah, what I seen here, and yeah, we ended up going up to this upside. Perfect trade. Obviously, I wasn't in this one. But yeah, we did have this clear move down, no consolidation here. And this is exactly what we punched back through into this empty space. Obviously, that play is pretty much done. What I'm seeing here next, and you know, this doesn't look too terrible here. We break above this top wall. We have empty space above us. Me and everyone in the chat having a ref day today. All right, so yeah, that would be good. That would be great. All right, so yeah, as you can see here, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. Obviously, yes, that first move ended up going pretty wild. We did end up tapping into that empty space. But yeah, I wish I would have set my alert on that, but you know, it's fine, it's cool, whatever. Hopefully we can end up setting up SOFI, a couple other trades too as well. Can I check out HOD? Yeah, no worries. We'll take a look there. Wolf. Okay, so HOD. Oh, that's definitely not good. Okay, 1 second here. Alright, so that was on. Okay, so we got it, or we did Kava. I think, yeah, we did Kava, right? I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah, we did Kava. I think. Let's see. Or didn't we? Hold on, give me a second. If we didn't do Kava, this is what I see here. And, okay, yeah, we didn't do it. Okay, yeah. Personally, yes, there was that empty space on that 24-hour. For me, I do like this, this 4-hour. So, yeah, we do have empty space here. Nice top wall there. Decent bottom wall here. We break and close above this wall there. We have empty space up here. So, about like a $5 move up. Looks good, looks decent. Do want to see if we can end up getting that. It doesn't look too bad. So yes, move down to consolidation there. Looks really, really good. All right, hold on 1 second here. I gotta pull up my broker on my MacBook. Let's pull this up. 1 second here. All right, cool. All right. DG, yeah, no worries. Yo, Kayla, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, that's on Kava. That looks really good. And yes, all of our plays, all of our setups are legit the same. Literally the same. You can see pretty much before Tesla, after. You know, these are just, you know, some charts that we did end up getting into. You can see, you know, pretty much the different members that get into our plays. And yeah, either they work or they don't. You can scroll through, you know, the chat and just pretty much see all what we do here. So yeah, we'll keep on going though. Tesla looks like it's trying to drop here. Yeah, we'll love that 298 area. 1 second here. All right, so HOD. So Kava looks really good. Marvel, we'll go over that too. Let's take a look on a smaller time frame. TSLL. Okay, yeah, we'll go over that too. So TSLL. So pretty much same thing. But yeah, we'll go over that too. No worries. Did I go over Amazon and I don't think so. Yeah, we'll go over that too. No worries. So Amazon and Ulta. Cool. All right. So yeah, as of right now for HOD, and yeah, pretty much same exact thing, same exact setup here. What I've been waiting for, yeah, we've been doing absolutely nothing for the past past year or so. But anyways, we do have this nice clear move up, no consolidation here. This is exactly what I would want to take to the downside. And yeah, it looks good, looks decent. As of right now, yeah, just gonna wait just because we're inside of consolidation. But yeah, if we can end up somehow, some way breaking and closing under this bottom level, we do have that empty space under us. So yeah, looks good, really, really decent. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So that was on what? HOD, also TSLL, Marvel. SOFI still standing up. Okay, cool. So what, 10 minutes before market opens? Cool, nice. So let's take a look here. Let's go to a possible. Julius, what's up? Yeah, market's been, you know, yesterday, obviously we were in some crazy chop yesterday. We, you know, still were able to catch, you know, a few trades, so can't be mad. But yeah, definitely At least yesterday, yeah, market was definitely not really doing anything. I do see a couple good setups though, so hopefully we'll end up getting those. All right, so for Marvel, what I see here, let's go to a. All right, yeah, 1 hour. What I like, what doesn't look bad here. We have this, and you know, looks good, looks decent. What I'm seeing, and same exact thing. Clear move down, no consolidation here. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, yes. Top wall, bottom wall there. We break above the top wall. We have empty space to the upside. So yeah, it looks really good. Doesn't look too bad. From entry to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we like. So yeah, right now, just going to wait. Just because we're in consolidation right now. 10 minutes. So yeah, I can expect a little pullback here. When market opens. So yeah, I can expect it. I'll still be up though, so as long as we stay up, of course. Alright, so we'll keep going though. And looking for a couple day trades too. Yo, Oscar, what's up? Good morning, man. Ulta, let's take a look here. Alright, yeah, we'll keep going. So, sound and yeah, we'll go over that too. So, sound and NBIS. Alright, yeah, so Ulta, hold on, give me a second here. Oh wow, hold on, give me a second. That actually looks okay. You know, I can't lie. No, you're good, bro. You're good. So yeah, sometimes you know you can't expect a little pullback. You know, that's perfectly fine. But yeah, if it does end up hitting the stop loss, that's cool. If it hits that, you know, final TP, that's cool too as well. You know, as long as you're prepared to react. Obviously, yes. You know, SoFi did hit my first TP. We hit it perfectly great. So yeah, TP hit. But yeah, the real thing matters is if we can claim profits for sure. So yeah, no worries, man. Good to see you. But yeah, right now, honestly, end of day doesn't look bad. We are above this top wall. I did like the way we opened above this top box though. So we'll love to see how this can play out. Obviously, no, not telling you guys to enter into anything. So please do your own research, of course. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad if we can end up getting that. So basically from one box to the next, looks really good. So that was on what? Ulta. Also, let's take a look. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on that. So maybe I should. Looks really, really good. All right, so hold on one second here. NBIS, DG, and Target. TGT. All right, so, and yeah, for Tesla, what I see here, and yes, we did have that box there. What I'm also seeing that, you know, looks good. Personally, yeah, we do have a nice top wall here. Nice bottom wall there. Just gonna go ahead and just reuse these horizontal lines. But yeah, you can see clearly we have empty space above us. I'm just gonna wait and see how everything is gonna play out. Doesn't look bad though. So yeah, this looks really, really decent. As of right now, yeah, just gonna wait. See how today brings us. Ulta could. So yeah, Ulta, you know, about that. So yeah, we did have that upside, but yeah, if sellers gain control of that level, yeah, we might end up just dropping there. All right, so what? We got to go over Target DG. Okay, cool. So yeah, Target, this is a trade that I did end up missing this one, but yeah, we called it out in the Discord. My my mod Rug Reality ended up calling this one out. Shout out to Rug. But yeah, we ended up breaking below this wall. We went into this empty space here. You know, the first target hit, it worked out great, worked out amazingly. But yeah, right now, either we're going to go into this first TP or this final TP or back into this box. For me, at least, I definitely wouldn't want to chase into a play just because that first TP ended up hitting there. So yeah, just gonna give it a little bit more time to build some structure. That would be great. NBIS. So yeah, NBIS as well. Same thing. This looks really, really good. Just gonna wait on this. And yes, each play is exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. And what I see here for this, at least, what looks really, really good to me. Oh yeah, we have empty space under us. Clear move up, no consolidation. If we end up breaking below this bottom wall here, end of day. And yes, this is only a 24-hour chart, so this is what I would love to swing. So yeah, end of day, we have the empty space to the downside. Doesn't look too bad there. We'll love to see that as well. All right, so where's the Q's pretty much at right now? Where are we at? All right, yeah, so yeah, a lot of these trades look really decent. Q's still pretty much in that consolidation area, so I'm gonna see how everything's gonna play out though. So yeah, a lot of these trades look good. We did Tesla, PLTR is doing pretty decent. We'd love to see us continue to the upside. Doesn't look bad though. Yeah, we'll keep on going. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, links in the bio, you can join up. You can join the free chat, also the VIP chat as well. And yeah, everyone here is pretty cool. So yeah, if you want to join, feel free to join. All right, so let's take a look here. Hold on, let's get rid of all this. So yeah, it looks like we had a box there. So at least for DG, obviously, let's go to a week. I do like to go to weekly charts because they end up doing pretty well, at least on the weekly charts. All right, so let's see where are we at. 24 hour. Let's go to this 4 hour really quickly. And as of right now, what I'm seeing here, and yeah, we look for the same play each day. So yeah, if you're in my Discord, if you're planning on joining, we mainly take the end of day swings. But yeah, even our day trading setups will look exactly the same too as well. And yeah, we mainly focus on end of day swing trades, but yeah, we do love our day trades too as well. But yeah, as of right now, what I'm seeing here that doesn't look bad, we do have this. And, you know, personally, we do have a beautiful top wall there, bottom wall there. And under us, you can clearly see that we have this empty space there. So yeah, if we can end up breaking below, we have empty space down here. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now I do want to see how everything's going to play out. Looks really, really good. Not bad at all. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. Got a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. So yeah, if you want to join up, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join up. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll be on live in like another hour or two. So yeah, thank you all so much for tuning back in. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon. Thank you all so much. I'll be in the Discord.